Today we are going to discuss introduction to R software. It is open access. It may be downloaded through Google. Just Google it. Just type on the Google that download R. Or you may use crane.org project.org. Once you have visited the site, you should select your suitable version of R as per your requirement, system's requirement, and then install it. After installing, when you double click on the R icon, this window will pop up. This window shows that R is ready to use. Here we see that this sign, and this sign shows that that R is ready to use. This sign is called command prompt, and when it is shown, then that's mean R is ready to use. It may be used as a calculator, as a language, a programming language, or as a software, simple software. So there are many packages in it. This is called RBase. So RBase may be used like calculator. You may define vectors, matrices, etc. You may perform mathematical and other calculations here. And it may be used for defining new functions. And after defining new functions, the operators, mean mathematical operators and other things may be used on this too. So here we will see that how to perform calculations and other things on this software. So we will switch on this. After double clicking on it, we see that this window will pop up. If you are a new user, then you should use demo for the demonstration. You will get many help from here after typing help and colon. Here we are going to use it as a calculator. So just we write when 2 plus 2. So we already know that this is 4, but we see here this is 4. The outcome of 2 plus 2 is 4. Here we see 10 into is used for asterisk. If you use asterisk, then it is considered as into. 10 into 12, that is 120. And if we divide this, so for divide, so backslash is used. So 100 backslash 5, so this is 20. If we want to add power, just suppose 3 to the power 3, then we use this function, and this is called exponent. And 3 to the power 3, that is 27, and the result is 27. So here we see that R may be used as a calculator, a simple calculator. And then we are going to define a new function that is name is X. So we write X, and this is equal to, mean we are assigning the name of that vector as X. And use C. C is concatenation function, and this is required to combine few numbers into a form, to compile a form. So write 1 4 6 9 4 5. So this is a number, this is a vector, and we just enter it. To enter it, we to execute this line, we enter it, and now X is stored in this system. If we write X or print X, then we will get this vector. X and print X, both of them are same, so we may use both of them. Now, once we have defined a new function, new vector, and that is X, so we may find out the mean of this function, and for this, the function is mean. It is simple, and we enter it. So the mean of this is given here, and then we calculate sum of it, mean the total of all these numbers. So sum of X will give you the total of all these numbers. And then we may find median. Variance of X. So we may perform many things. For example, if we want to define a new matrix here, so for this, we name it as M, and this is equal to matrix X. If we want to define 2 by 2 matrix, that is the easiest one. So we write matrix, and within matrix we write C, and we enter the number 1, 4, 8, 3. We need 4 numbers for 4 entries, 4 numbers for 2 by 2 matrix, and we write n row. Mean how many rows do we want? So we want 2 rows and n col. N col mean n column, and n col is equal to 2. So here we need 2 rows and 2 columns, that is 2 by 2 matrix. So we define it as M. So here we enter M, and now M is equal to this. So this is 2 by 2 matrix, 1, 4, 8, 3. And if we want to add this matrix, mean M plus M, so we see there 2 mean the corresponding elements have been added. We will define a new matrix. So M1 is equal to T of M. Mean we are taking the transpose of this matrix and stored at M1. So M1 is this 1, 8, 4, 3. Mean the numbers have been exchanged. Mean the diagonal elements have been exchanged. So now we add M plus M1. And now we see the subtraction of these matrices. What is the result? Yes. So we may perform these operations on vectors, matrices, lists, etc. In matrix, if we talk about matrix, so when we take transpose, for transpose we are using a function T, and for inverse we use function solve, and for multiplication we can't use directly asterisk because it is multiplying the corresponding elements only. And in matrix we have to multiply a row, the row of first column into the column of second matrix, in the row of first matrix into the column of second matrix. So for that we need this, mean ampersand, this and this. First percentage, then asterisk, then percentage. This is used for matrix multiplication. Just see how. M into M1. Here we see that the each elements have been multiplied to each other. But when we use this percentage asterisk percentage M1, then we will set that the values are different. So these two values are different, mean M asterisk M1 are different from M percentage M asterisk percentage M1. So thank you.